thank you for all the efforts during the campaign. And thank you, please, I beg you to spread your understanding. Talk to your parents, uncles, and relatives that this president cares. Cares dearly for the economic benefit and welfare of this country. We will set up centers across the country to promote alternative economic empowerment and quality of life. Yes, people are anxious about the palliative. Palliative is not the solution. It's just a temporary relief. The long-term prospect of the nation and the benefit is for us to re-engineer the finances and the economy of our great country. That, I assure you, I will do.
We will come here first, Daddy, to appreciate you and to congratulate you formally for your success in the election, because you made the job easy for us by being a man of stellar performance, a man of result, a man of impact. By investing in yourself and investing in people for over 30 years. And so it was easy for us to go out there to market you to the Nigerian people during the last election because of the investment that you have also made before time. And to congratulate you that we were not let down, and to thank God on your behalf for the victory that we had in that election.
It's a process, and we're at the middle of the process now. And as far as Mr. President is concerned, he has his cabinet. I'm sure there will be those who will be working behind the scenes, giving him advice, even now, before confirmation, in anticipation of confirmation, because there's no time to waste. Not a day. Every day is important to this government. So, I mean, they may not start fully or officially until they are confirmed, but I'm sure they will still continue to contribute, advice here and there to Mr. President. For all intents and purposes, work should start in earnest for them in the next week or two, because I don't see the Senate wasting too much time in the confirmation, not because they're not going to do a thorough job. They will do a thorough job, but they will balance it with the need with the knowledge that time definitely in these times that we're in, time is of the essence.